In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload and edit a PDF in Canva. If you've got a PDF you want to tweak, redesign, or repurpose, Canva makes the process straightforward. Start by heading to canva.com. On the home page, look for the option labeled Upload Your File or simply Upload. Click that and your device's file picker will open. Choose the PDF you want to work with and confirm. You'll see the upload begin right away. Larger files can take a bit longer, so give it a moment. A quick tip: make sure your file name is clear so you can spot it easily once it appears in your uploads. If you don't see the upload button on the home page, there's another equally simple path. Click Create a Design at the top right and select Import File from the drop-down menu. This opens the same file selection window and leads to the same result, so use whichever option is easiest to find in your layout. You can also start from inside the Canva editor if you already have a design open. Go to the File menu in the top left, choose Upload a File, and select your PDF. And if you prefer the quickest route, just drag and drop your PDF straight into the editor window. When it lands, Canva will recognize it and begin processing immediately. After you upload, wait for the conversion to finish. Canva will process each page of your PDF and open it as a new editable design. This conversion step translates your PDF into movable elements, text boxes, and images. Depending on how the original PDF was created, some fonts may be substituted and certain effects might be flattened. That's normal. Just plan to review text and spacing once it opens. When your design is ready, it's time to edit. Click directly on any text box to start typing. You can change the wording, fix typos, or adjust font size, color, and alignment using the toolbar. To reposition elements, click and drag them to where you want them. Use the handles on the corners to resize images or text containers, and the rotation handle to tilt elements if needed. If you want to add new content, use the editor's sidebar to bring in fresh text, shapes, icons, or images, and place them right on the page. Zoom in to check small details, and move between pages to keep your layout consistent. That's all there is to it. Upload, wait for the conversion, and start editing your PDF in Canva with intuitive drag and drop tools that make updates quick and clean.